Bonjour. Ça va bien?
Oui, vous aussi.
C'est entrée gratuite ou...
Oui, l'entrée gratuite. Bonne idée.
This is another place in Auch, which is a temporary art exhibition.
MEMENTO is a unique contemporary art space located in Auch, which has been created to revive an old Carmel that had been shut down for over a decade. This departmental council of Auch, which owns the Carmel, has been renovating the place, and MEMENTO has been established to generate artistic interest on a territorial, national and international level by collaborating with artists and cultural institutions from the current artistic scene. The former Carmel was transformed in 1949 to serve as the departmental archive, but it has remained closed since then. However, in 2016, it was reborn as MEMENTO, a true creative laboratory that showcases the concept of exhibiting works in a non-artistic setting. The abandoned spaces of the Carmel reveal a forgotten reality, and in collaboration with contemporary creation, they become a periphery of beliefs.
Scary here. What the hell is going on? It's a very dark place. C'est vraiment bien. Oui, merci beaucoup.
Avec plaisir.
Merci, bonne journée, au revoir.